better than that. That's a fist clap. Hey, Marcus, you clap your hands? Clap your hands. No, don't hit your legs. Like this. Marcus, like this. Clap. I can't clap while I'm holding the phone. Here, hold it. Marcus. Can you clap? Yay, Marcus. Yay, Marcus. Yeah. Yay, Marcus. Oh, hi. You wave hi, too? No, Mom can't do that. I'm just going to clap. Clap. Oh. Yeah, clap. What? Clap. Yay, Marcus. Yay, Marcus. Woo! 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 Say mama. Oh, you tried. Say mama. Marcus, say bye. Marcus. Say bye. Oh, he's just gonna clap. He's such a big. Oh. 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 Where are you going?